Hey guys, I have here a Galaxy S23. I'm going to do a back glass replacement on this device. The back glass replacement on this device does apply to the Galaxy S23 Plus. The S23 Ultra is similar but not quite the same. Here I'm using a suction cup to grab the device to hold it in order to start hitting the back glass of this S23. I heated the broken back glass of this Galaxy S23 for 41 seconds, and after that I can start using another suction cup in order to start pulling the back glass of the device in order to have a small opening at the bottom. With a large crack at the center of the back glass, most likely the suction cup will not work. You will need to apply some tape at the bottom of the device in order for the suction cup to hold on the back glass. I did apply 2 layers of tape and I started to hit the back glass again. I tried pulling the back glass with the suction cup again. It didn't work. So the next thing that you need to do is to hit the bottom portion of the device really well, and after that you can slightly pull the back glass and insert one of your tools at the bottom, preferably a blade. It is very small and thin. It is going to let you go between the back glass and the frame of the device, just like this. While inserting your blade at the bottom of the device, make sure that you do not scratch the frame of the device. Using a metal tool in that area may scratch the bottom portion of your device. Just insert the blade to have a small opening first. After that, pull the blade right and left to widen that opening. After that, you can insert your guitar pick at the bottom of the device. Once we have the guitar pick at the bottom of the device, we can simply starting going right and left in order to start the separation of the back glass from the frame of the device. The suction cup to hold the device is not mandatory. You may have a suction cup this big or you may not have it. I did a lot of back glass replacement without a suction cup to hold the device with the screen. Having a suction cup to hold the device is going to let you not have a lot of heat while hitting the back of the device. You need to hit the back of the device as needed, because if you let the device sit for a minute, it is going to cool down and you will not be able to remove the back glass very easy. While inserting a tool at the bottom of the device as a placeholder, make sure that you do not get the tool between the flex cables that are going from the motherboard to the bottom of the device. The right side of the back glass is completely removed out of the frame of the device. We need to do the same thing on the left side of the S23 in order to have the back glass completely out of this frame. So there is a technique if you want to go fast. After you have removed the right side of the back glass completely, you can grab that side of the device and pull the back glass very strongly and remove it with brute force. Also make sure that you do not insert your guitar pick far inside while you're going around the camera bezel. The back glass of this Galaxy S23 is completely detached from the frame of the device. If you want to use brute force to pull the back glass strongly, make sure that you have tape all over the back glass, because if you pull strongly, you're going to create a lot of dust and a lot of particles of glass are going to fall on your work area. This is the new back glass that I'm going to install on this Galaxy S23. Make sure that you apply some pressure all around the double-sided tape before we start the installation of the back glass. Also, it is important to blow some air on the back glass and also on the camera area to avoid having any dust or anything that can damage or obstruct your cameras. For the installation, make sure that you align the back glass with the frame of the device and start applying a small pressure on the back glass at the 4 corners. And after that, you need to inspect the back glass to make sure that it is fully aligned and nothing is obstructing the back glass from sitting on the frame of the device. The back glass replacement of this Galaxy S23 is done. You can see it looks very clean and brand new again. The video on the screen is the Galaxy S22 Plus back glass replacement. Click on that video if you want another example of back glass replacement before you try it. Subscribe, like and share. Adios.